Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a spread in my mini traveler's notebook journal, and I'm starting the page with some collaging, and I'm using just some of my under papers where I clean my stamps and wipe off leftover paint. I'm just using a glue stick to adhere the paper pieces. Today's video will be the last video I do in my normal schedule. As the holidays are starting here, I have no idea when I will have time to post any videos, and I also think I need some holidays. I am also closing my store from today on. It's the last day today you can place an order, and I will press all the stamps over the weekend and then ship them out. And the next time I start pressing or shipping stamps will be on the 2nd of January. But that doesn't mean that there will be no news in the store. I will have a new release, and I will release the stamps for pre-order right after Christmas. So keep an eye on my Instagram account and on my website. I will link you up to the making of this journal in the upper right corner, so you can check out that video. I'm adding in some gesso to blend the background together. I had the feeling that I added a little bit too much in some areas, so I just use a baby wipe and wipe away some of the gesso. When the gesso is completely dry, I want to add some color with the Nuvo Shimmer Powders. When this is completely dry, I add in some stamping, and I decided to stamp kind of a frame around the spread using different mixed media stamps. I believe these are all stamps from the Mixed Media Marks stamp set, but I will link up every set I've used in the video description. I also add some of the stamps to the background to give it some more interest. And as always, I'm adding some splatters, and I decided to add them in black because this matches my frame. I want to adhere some of these flowers. I stamped them to some of my also leftover paint papers, and I did this in another video. I will try to find it and link that up in the top right corner info box. And I adhere those to the page, and I also just use the normal glue stick. And as I used those shimmer powders, it would be almost impossible to adhere those with gel medium because it will just smear the powders. I'm drawing the stem of the flowers with a watercolor pencil, and I just dip the nib of it into water so I get a more intense line. To make look everything a little bit more cohesive with the background and the pinks, I use some of the Nuvo Shimmer Powders and add in some pink to the background. And that's my page for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope we will see us soon, and I wish you a wonderful Christmas time. Bye.